In this area, the national legislation allows hunters to catch live birds, like thrushes, to be used as live decoys for hunting. Certain hunters, on the basis of a specific authorization, can put limesticks in order to glue actually the birds to a stick and then recover the bird.
Ici, bon, mais ça se fait bien sûr, mais la vente étant interdite, logiquement, vu que le nombre de grives autorisées à la capture est limité, il y a peu d'échanges officiellement. Ah, le gros problème actuel, c'est qu'il y a des gens ici qui font la pratique de la grive de capture. Ils capturent des quantités assez importantes et ils les échangent avec des Italiens. Il y a un marché qui est à mes yeux assez grave parce qu'ils viennent chercher des grives ici et ils les ramènent en Italie et ensuite ils les vendent.
Birds are attracted to this place by other live birds in cages or with whistles reproducing the song of the birds. They come to this place when they perch on these sticks covered with glue. They remain attached and then the hunter can actually recover them. The problem with this is that not only thrushes are taken, but also other smaller birds that usually dwell in small bushes, like for example robins. And in this case the French legislation requires the hunter to immediately get the bird, clean his feather from the glue and then free the bird. Whether this is actually done or if he really doesn't have any consequence of his feather being covered with glue is of course a totally different story.